Julia, listen to me, boy. We understand what you say. But you can't give up now. Music is your man. Listen, it's like Bob Marley saying, one good thing about music, when it hit you, you feel no pain. Yeah? Meaning, say, you can't give it up. Right? But he can't give you up. Yeah? He can't give up on you like how you give up on Robbie. But you can't give it up, my boy. Music is your passion. Music is your blood.
No, Maddy, but this time I have to give it up, Maddy.
Well, I mean, Junior, you still can do your work and, do like a music thing on the side.
You can't do nothing halfway, Robbie, man. Full 100 and none at all, you know that.
All right. Junior, come on. Here, one, do something. Help Robbie. Just finish it through the rest of the music, no? Just help him, man. Because right now, Caroline must get mad and gone for some of her animal friend them. Yeah? Say she a come back on broken foot. Yeah? And good God, look on any foot. Help him, no?
Maddy, just cool, man. No more involvement, see, Maddy. But just come down here to tell the item, step. Me not forget the item, see? Later on.
I mean, Jonah,
That's
Marty, have you seen my... So the prodigal is back. The unambitious, ungrateful discomfiture is back. And what have you to say for yourself?
Nothing, sir.
Ha! Nothing, sir. That's all you can say, nothing, sir. Huh? After you go America, the land of opportunity. Come back. All you can say is nothing, sir. Huh? You know how much people go stand up in a embassy line from before their morning, spend how much hours and still get turned down, and you just pop up like a little jack in the box. Get visa, go America, overstay your time, and come back and all you can say is nothing, sir.
Eustace,
how dare you call me by my first name?
give the boy a break.
If I want to talk to this ingrate anyhow, that is my prerogative. So please do not meddle into my conversation.
Stop create excitement, panic, boy.
Eustace.
Wait.
You go like saying no Maddy long time.
And what has that got to do with the price of fish?
You, Maddy, and Chappie used to drink together.
And to think, I almost take him into my house as my son-in-law. But behind every dark cloud is a silver lining. Because if you did marry to my daughter, I know you'd have bring in all of your little chaka acquaintance then and come capture my house. I would have seen your true colors too late. Thank God for small mercy. Sis.
Adams, if you finish, I will leave.
Oh, no, don't leave. You don't leave. I will leave. Let me leave you on your little chaka posse.
No worry about him, he head no good.
Mad sick. Who no call mad doing? Who no call? As to you, you little pipsqueak. Why doesn't you go to school?
Calm your nerves, man. It's a dancehall thing.
What dancehall thing? You don't snarot, but go to school.
Watch ya. This is my year for bust like Sean Paul. Eh?
Boss, you can't bust, you don't know spell car.
BMW.
Good to go. But I don't go up that none of you do not hijack me lovely daughter.
All right, let me get it now. Let me roll it. Come here.
Why didn't you call me?
Look, I didn't think you wanted to see me. And to make it easier, I decided to stay away.
To make it easier on me?
But on me, you, my mother, your father.
Is that why you left that message that I shouldn't wait for you?
Oh, Zane. Tune, Zane, my work, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Yes, that's why I left the message.
Junior, I've been waiting for you for 15 years. At the very least, you could have told me yourself.
I was too ashamed.
Ashamed? Well, Junior, you've got no idea at all. If I told you truthfully, no, what's inside my heart, no, you might just break down. I'm running out of strength right now, just spending my life wondering where you go, what you do. I'm incomplete. Am I missing pieces? What I told you, yeah. No matter where you are, I will be there. For you, I do it again. No. And if you, no matter where you are, I will be there. Oh, for you, I do it again. Just listen, boy. Now that you're back, I need to know where we stand. Is there a place do I fit in? Oh, baby, take a chance, realize just what we have. You can't disguise. I'm everything you'll ever need. You must understand. Don't what I told, don't, and I will always be there. 'Cause that's a promise I made. For you. Junior, do something for me.
Anything.
Take the job from my father.
No, look, Sharon,
Junior,
man.
please.
Look. For you. But tell your father no favors.
I'll tell him.
And as soon as I finish paying off Mama, can start making plans.
Are you proposing?
In a way.
Well, you're gonna have to come better than that.
We are talking about Sharon. It's modern time now. What do you want me to do? Go down on my knees?
Well, that would be the gentlemanly thing to do.
Sharon, marry me yesterday.
Yesterday?
That's how much I want you.
But what about Carolyn?
Sharon, me down for my knees and ask about Carolyn. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Huh? Good girl. Nice.
What, Junior? You're not gonna finish if Robbie finish the song?
Carolyn, I told you already. I'm finished, done with the music.
What do you mean you're finished, done with the music? Come here. The vice president of CBC said if you send in a demo or a tape and they like it, they might just give us a contract. What do you think? What?
Look, Carolyn. That's not going to fit in with my plans right now. Seeing just...
What plans are you talking about? What do you mean it's not going to fit in with
Just
your
do the
plan?
demo tape and send it after.
But
right?
if you them want
Look, Carolyn, you're deaf. We're finished. We're done with the music. Look, come, Sharon.
But listen, Junior. Don't say anything.
Listen.
I'm not into it. Don't say anything.
Caroline, I wasn't listening, but I hear everything. All right.
Just cool, man.
Don't worry. Me and them boy, we try to get back Junior. Junior love music and we come back. Yeah?
Marty!
Tell him something there.
Marty!
Today is not my day.
Marty, have you seen my... Have you seen my daughter?
She gone with Junior.
Oh, good. You mean to tell me that they make up?
Well, they kiss, but we don't know if they make up.
I wonder if that boy is beginning to see the folly of his ways. And I only hope that Sharon can influence him to take a job with me. No more chaka-chaka. No more bongarong.
You idiot. You can't stop reggae music. Jamaica is reggae and reggae is in me, you, Junior, everybody. You can't stop it.
Reggae is one card, cheng-cheng. So-sa chaka-chaka.
Well, it's a long time old, man. Now what you know? You saw you're tough and favor bad pan. Just see a condition.
Wouldn't trouble.
I wonder who the big lip girl you talk.
Your time done. Our time now. You think you can kill reggae like how you kill my father?
Your father?
Yes, my father, Chap, your good friend. Who you make sign over me inheritance. Him export business just doing so well.
That's a wicked lie. And let me put those facts to you right at this moment, you hear me?
Yeah.
Your father, him was as broke as I can't even describe how broke he was.
I lie,
You hear
I
me?
tell you.
And everywhere he go to borrow money, nobody could have lent him. And seeing that he was my friend, I lent him the money and him sign a legal document, being very sober and knowledgeable of what him signing, that if him could not pay me back, the factory would belong to me. So when him couldn't pay me back, the factory automatically belongs to me. You see, so please go and wash out that mouth of yours before you come and argue with me. You hear me? Oh, you just understand that. Let me tell you something, you know. You know those things you say about me a while ago, those are very defamatory to my character, you know.
Yes, sir, come to something about it. Come to something about it.
I could have sued you, but you're just a little small fly. And I don't want to crush you. Yeah? Oh.
Make him stay.
Yeah, listen.
And let me tell you.
That's true.
Let me tell you something. And I made it a drive the night when your papa did. I did rum did I drive the car. I did rum did I drive the car. Hello. Yo, Marty, you tell her.
That's true.
What's your man, I don't want to hear nothing from you, not just school, man.
Yeah, but the night, look, the police say it was an accident.
Accident,
that killed
my
your
foot.
father.
What a coincidence. This same mechanic you use for fix the car are your business partner. So in tamper with the brake and mess up everything for kill off my father is your business partner.
You know, sometimes this girl make me want to shillito when I laugh, you know. Now, why would I have money like Fistone Dog? Why would I kill a sufferer
Who was suffering? My
Why
father
would
was
I
suffering.
kill a son?
My father was suffering. Make him go on. Go on, laugh. You soon stop laughing. You soon stop laughing.
You cannot contend with me, little girl.
Yeah?
You cannot contend with me. If you think your body, see, just cross the border. Cross the border.
Let go from me now. Let go from me now, buddy.
Cross
No,
the
let me cross the border.
border. If you
Let me
think
go
he's a
and
bad
yam him in
man,
here. And
you're
let the
going
one
on
that
like he's
yam
a
you.
bad man, you know.
Buddy, let go from me now, man.
Listen, him got to me.
You love what I bet you come look for me at prison.
Listen,
I bet you bring food for me at prison.
Wendy, look, leave it here. Listen, understand. Even when you... Listen to me. Even when Eustace was a boy, him never lose that marble or anything for that matter. You hear? Listen to me. Money is power, and power is money. Sure. And Eustace have money. Here? Leave it. It will sort itself out. Leave it, okay? Leave
You saw
it.
that man they bring prison on my doorstep?
Yes.
What make him go on, man?
Leave it.
When him think his peace and safety, sudden destruction.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
Marty! Archie Robbie! Hey! Hey! Marty! Somebody set fire to one of my brothel. I mean hotel. My love for you is stronger than any other one. If you think it's a lie, just look right in my eyes and put you... Oh, Elsie. I am telling you, Elsie, your son Junior is running circles round them other workers.
What you saying to me?
Oh, yeah, he never told you?
No, sir. All Junior said that the work is very hard.
That is true. But Elsie, I am telling you, since Junior come there, you see a whole heap of improvement. And him get two of the biggest hotel contracts for me.
What?
Oh, yes. I am so pleased with the boy, you see, man. Especially now that him and Sharon make up.
Lord. And what a makeup. Young love.
Yeah.
I know how it is.
Where you know, Elsie?
You remember saying so me and you did be.
Locks, Elsie, man. Never go back into that. Look how long that now. That now must be about 30 years.
10th of November, 28 years.
But wait, Elsie, you have an elephant memory?
Not when there is only one other relationship.
Locks, Elsie, man. You know, me did have so much work doing, you know, what we tried to build up the
And
company.
there was many others.
But Elsie, you was the most special. Elsie, Elsie, like a warm Sharon and Junior, you see, it's now a high term. Why you don't make me become a paragraph?
Eustace, nobody come with a sweet mouth. Me none of them sinting there, y'all.
Look, Elsie, man, just think about what you say.
Sir, you're too old for me.
Elsie, what you talking? Elsie, what you talking about, howl, eh? What you talking about, howl? Me know me howl, but them say the howl of the moon and the bright eye shine. Elsie.
Listen, man, as a matter of fact, me know say a pure young thing you want. Me too old
Elsie,
for you.
hey, think about it. Think about it. And make sure your hand says yes. What you say? What you say? Oh.
Good evening, Daddy. Miss Elsie.
Evening, Mr. Adams. Mama, Miss you.
So, Junior, tell me something. Want to decide on a wedding date yet?
I'm glad some mama is here. December 14.
What better birthday present?
Not a better one. Congrats, boy. Congrats. I know that I could depend upon you.
Yes, father-in-law.
Come.
Junior, boy, I'm proud of you. Come here. And Sharon, my daughter, come here. Lord.
Yes.
I'm glad for the tone of until.
Thank you.
Oh, yes.
But you see that boy there? You know the amount of trouble when give me. You know how much.
All right, Elsie, everybody know about the sacrifice. Nobody go better. Next year, I am going to make them crown you International Single Mother of the Year.
Mama, you're the greatest man.
Excuse me.
Oh, Randy, I'm so sorry. I'd completely forgotten you were coming.
It's all right.
You know Daddy?
Yes,
Right?
yes.
And this is Miss Elsie.
Yes.
And this is Junior.
Junior. The Junior.
Finally.
Well, it's good to see that you're for real.
I don't understand him.
Oh, no, Randy and I have a little secret joke. You see, he's never actually seen you, only heard of you, so he calls you my phantom boyfriend.
You hear that, Elsie? Phantom.
It was only a joke.
That's all right. Sometimes I wonder if I'm really real myself.
Randy, sit down. Let me tell you the latest. We're going to get married.
We are?
In December.
December?
Yeah.
Well,
Isn't that great?
that's wonderful. A little bit soon, but... Oh! Married December! Oh, congratulations! Congratulations!
Randy, you come in second.
Second,
Randy and I had lunch a few times. It was really nothing.
Well, she did seem a little bit lonely and,
I was playing the fool, right? I mean, Sharon is a lovely girl. As long as it stopped at lunch, it's all right.
Now I see why she waited so long. You're really an understanding guy.
Oh, what a gracious loser.
Well, not quite, you know, sir. Even young couples do need insurance as well. Junior, if it's not too much trouble, I'd like to have a few words with you to discuss some insurance matters.
No problem. In fact, you know, sometimes insurers need insurance.
On that note, sir, I can assure you that I'm fully covered. Tell you what, I'll be around your house first thing in the morning.
No, come at my office at 1:30.
1:30 is good for me as well. Well, seeing as how I have no other business here, I shall be saying my goodbyes now. Good night, sir. Good night, ma'am. Goodbye, Sharon.
He's a nice young man, you know.
But you never forgot near me, raw.
Look here now. Me gone in my yard here. Junior, you ready?
No, Mama. I have something to discuss with Sharon.
All right, I'll see you later.
Me too. Elsie, hold on, let me coming down the road, let me give you a ride. Junior, you don't remember? You not married yet. Elsie, wait for me now. You don't want the ride. You want to walk off your shoes, here.
So, you're that gentleman in waiting.
Well, when you consider it, it's not such a bad idea.
Why? Him supposed to keep me on my toes?
Or bring you to your knees if need be.
Me to my knee, Randy. I mean, you don't look like a bad fellow.
Are you jealous?
Should I be jealous?
No.
All right. Soon come.
Where are you going?
I just going to tell those boys the good news, you know?
Junior, are you sure you're
Look,
not...
don't nag me. If a woman want to keep her man, don't nag him.
From the ghettos of Kingston, J.A. comes a tune to put hip-hop under. Reggae music a tear this world asunder. Oh Lord. From the ghettos of Kingston, J.A. comes a tune to put hip-hop under. Reggae music a tear this world asunder. Oh Lord, boy. From the ghettos...
Hey! Papi! You're going bad now with a Robbie, man. Over here and you can't done the song.
Caroline, I say me no
How
want...
really you going, man?
Caroline, I say me no want to finish the song, you know, but it's like my mind just blank, you know. Tell you where though, Caroline. Just give me 2 weeks to go up in the hills, you know.
Go up in the hills for what?
Yeah, go up in the hills, go chill out, you know. Maybe when I up in the hills, some lyrics can just pop up in my head, you know.
Well, let me tell you something. The only thing I'm going to pop up in your head up at the hills there is gas. I'm going to give you some money I talk about. And where you going with I? Where really you going?
Hey, Caroline. Hey, get somebody else to write a tune, man. Sure. Sick and tired of you and my neck back every day. You pressure man about a tune. Let's say I can't get the inspiration and you still have to talk about.
Pick up that. Pick up that. Me notice how you're going from the other day, you know. But watch yourself with me, yeah? And what if you want me to go for 2 more of my thugs, them?
No, man, I work on the tune, man.
Dark foot and crab ears. Watch yourself with me, no boy. What me say?
Yeah,
move from in front of me and go finish the song. Where?
Say, bless you.
Bright.
Get somebody else to write a tune.
Where there?
Why?
Yes, sir, Junior.
Julia, you're mysterious.
Watch yourself now. So up to now, Robbie can't do the song. It looks like the boy want me visit some prisoner or something, you know.
May I get married?
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 Hey, congratulations, my boy. Congratulations. Hey, that's a nice young girl, you know. Very nice young girl. Hey, Kawa. Hey, Caroline need a vibe, you know.
Just cool, man.
Hey, I like Caroline.
Maddy, hold it down.
You want to see that look? Very nice.
Look, may I get some invitation print and I will bring them down when I'm ready. See? I write a song, maybe you can sing it at the reception. Later.
So, Junior, I saw you go walk up on my investment.
What investment?
Studio time, equipment, airline ticket. Not to mention personal sacrifice under that foreign. You go walk up on all of that?
What about my investment?
What investment?
My talent.
All right. Robbie the Panda song for how long? May I beg you, finish it for me?
Caroline.
No, you have to finish it. It's a madhouse may I reach. See if you can done it for me, and we'll sing at your wedding. Just do it for me, for your friend, for all time's sake.
All right.
No. No, leave that. When you reach our next line, or the chorus, you can sing it.
All right,
just leave it.
Now go and work on it. All right.
So, Junior. Then you... So you're going to drop me like right mango?
Caroline, I can't remember picking you up.
Sharon. How? You see that boy Junior? It's 2 days now him don't come to the office, you know.
Junior's been absent for 2 days.
Of course. And one of the armed brothers down by the hotel, it broke down. And the manager said him don't want nobody else to touch it but Junior.
And did Junior know about this?
Him know about it, yes. It was on him schedule, man. Sharon, you sure you doesn't know where Junior is?
I haven't seen him, Daddy, not for 2 days.
I wonder if him sick though, eh? But even if him sick, him no could have called him not dead.
Daddy, this is really strange. I think we should go and check on Junior. I think we should go to his house.
All right, come and we go in yard. Because I don't know what it be at Halsey.
Miss Halsey, what's going on? Junior's been absent from work for 2 days and I haven't seen him either.
You know something? I feel like somebody want over my pitney, you know. Somebody want to turn him worthless.
Halsey, please cut out those nonsensical obia rubbish.
Me can't find Junior for 2 days now. Me look left, me look everywhere, me can't find Junior. And me think Junior was up here.
No, Miss Halsey, he hasn't been here.
Well, he must be somewhere. Anyway, when me was searching the room, me find this. I think it belongs to you. Me don't know, me give up. Lord.
Oh, no.
His what?
Junior withdrew $55,000.
$55,000, but why?
Well, I don't know, Daddy. This is our savings.
Kiss me neck.
What, Miss Elsie?
I don't believe this.
Miss Elsie, please.
You know something? Monday night, Junior come home, and I hear him singing all night. And if I know that boy correctly, he gone back into the recording business.
Right.
That workless, dirty, good-for-nothing brute. That boy is a disappointment in my life, you know, man. But you see if I'll me catch that, the ratted boy, the dog. Me damage him, you know. Because asthma, don't tell me about no asthma, Yama. Don't tell me about no asthma. Because, you know, me never should have imply him, you know. Because when I interview him, me left here, this a jump up and down, so you know. You hear me tell you? And you see the time I left here, I jump, I feel follow me mind. But you see, if I ever catch him, I chop out here.
Yo, Robbie.
Yo.
Give me the man, just forward with the box then, man. Let's come in, man.
Yeah, man.
Have a carry them down, man. You messy.
See?
Come, Wallace. You carry this downtown, see? I will go uptown, them expecting you, right?
See?
Let's go on. Let's shut them off.
Junior talk, but man a DJ, man a carry record box. I want to join him, man. Yo, Junior.
Yeah.
So you managed to get studio for buy your tune, them, see? You knew in the business and things so tight.
Yo, them take them on consignment, brethren. If them selling the thing, then we will make some money. You understand me?
Oh, see?
Let's go on.
Yo, Junior, with the girl, them know if you can record.
You have to carry some record to, man.
Man a DJ, man. Record. How with the girl, them the star?
Come, man. You mess.
Where them you go?
You carry one at Upper Mass Jam shop, see? Studio Force. Where next girl, then? Where I work with you? You carry that one with her. Just same studio for Master and Zane. So, Jonah, you pay for the whole of them out of your pocket road, boy?
That's cool, man. Remember the saying in the university scene? It said, when the going gets rough, the tough gets going.
Scene,
yeah,
big things. Yo, Jonah, come here.
Wow.
What you say a while ago?
You said, when the going gets rough, the tough gets going.
Is that tune that you give me a while ago in the road, boy? When the going get tough, the tough get going.
Yeah, man. What? We are right down.
You know, say, is that true? When the going get tough, the tough get... listen and tell me how it sounds, eh?
What?
So when the going get tough, the tough get going, and Rastaman up front.
Rastaman,
pull up!
Somebody sing that already.
Why you don't learn to write your own lyrics? Thief! Move! I'm gonna finish the way I do.
Oh.
Sharp.
Caroline.
Hold on. Let me see where you go. No, Gladys, no. You leave them. You're too kind. Your generosity knows no bound.
Where Archie there?
Archie! Come, man, and run things, man.
What?
Come for...
Archie.
Look alive now.
Just follow me, Zane. I go down to the studio for. Me the DJ now, Archie, man. Cool, me can't go down to the studio with record na man.
Come here. Me say, Junior, the engineer nearly dead when we tell him how Maddie coming to the studio. The man laugh till him. Anyway, forget about that.
What?
Archie song. Them love Archie song.
Them me not tell you, Caroline, man, Archie song a boom tune, man.
Them love Archie song.
#1 tune, man.
Lord of mercy. Sure.
Where is? There you is. You see you? You is a little Lucifer. You hear me? You is a devil picnic. You all something like you. Them should have tied by the toe and hang you up in the air. You hear what I say? You's a... Give me a minute. Let me get some more cuss word.
Miss Adams, would answer you, but it's all right. You don't understand right now.
What is there to understand, huh? Your life was a bed of roses, and you give it up for this chaka music.
My asthma, you stirs.
Hi, you please don't you utter one syllable to me, you hear? Because it was your misguided influence that caused the fella to regress. All things like you, them should have prison you and dash away the key. Oh.
If it's one thing I know you can do is chat. Or you chat, so. Your tongue not big and favor cow one for nothing. I see when you use your big heavy cow tongue and outsmart my father, but you can't outsmart me and Junior. You